We've got the Blazin box. It's not on the menu, but you can ask for it. £15. You get a taco, a burger, and some sort of loaded fries and a drink. It's 15 quid. I've got Iron Brew. So let's try this out. This is a chicken taco, not birria, but it's all right. It's quite salty, I'll be honest. Next we have pickles, cheese, and the Nashville spice. So we've got medium in this. They said their medium is other people's hot. So we'll find out. It's crispy. I'll give them that. When they said their medium is other people's hot, they lied. It very much is just medium. If anything, it's not even spicy. There's no spice on that. But it's a crispy burger. As far as chicken burgers go, it's fine.